Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I wanted to talk about a very simple topic, so I'm going to keep this video very quick. It's Friday night, so I know a lot of people will be watching this on the run. Today I wanted to cover off a thing that I kind of believe is that in business and the business world and corporate, titles are not really worth the words that are included. Everyone tries to get really fancy: director, manager, assistant. And there's all these buzzwords, you know, what does BDM these days actually really mean? Business development manager. At the end of the day, my biggest belief is that everyone's title should be problem solver. We are, at the end of the day, solving a problem for whatever industry you're in. So for instance, a chef, their problem that they're solving is someone's hunger. If you're in marketing, the problem that you're solving is the problem the customer has, whether it be more business, more leads, business growth, business system. So if you really take the approach that you're a problem solver and you work on your problem solving skills, what actually happens is you have the ability to start solving bigger problems. And when you can start solving bigger problems, that's really the value that you're giving the organization or the customer or a client or in a consulting manner, the problem that's being solved. The bigger that is, the bigger you're going to get paid. So if you're in a position where you want to increase the amount of money you're earning or the amount of money that you're charging for your services, you really just need to start solving bigger problems. And the way to solve bigger problems is to train yourself to be very solution-based and solution thinking. So I find that someone who's constantly whinging and whining and focusing on the negative side of life tends to not really see the opportunities that might lie in a problem. So you really need to kind of flip that around and move yourself to being more optimistic and solution-based thinking. Whenever there's a bit of a roadmap, a bit of a roadblock, you need to kind of see that as well. What can I do here to overcome this hurdle? And the bigger hurdles that you can manage to overcome, solutions you can solve, shortcuts you can take to kind of like make things better and more efficient and effective, you're going to find yourself that you're solving bigger problems for people and they're going to get more value out of what you're doing. And in turn, when you're more valuable, you can start charging more. You can start getting that return that you're seeking. So little quick tip is start being a problem solver. Find ways you can actually get your mind to solve problems quicker. Now, there are a lot of brain training programs. There are a lot of people who tend to do puzzles and word finds and things like that tend to have a much better path on their brain of that problem solving. But just really get around people who are more positive thinking, people who are solution based, and try and find mentors and people who you can be around that have that way of thinking and start mirroring what they do. Repeat what they're doing and learn from them, understand, how did you come to that conclusion? That's really great, that solves a problem. So yeah, that's the tip today, is your title should be a problem solver, and the bigger problems you solve, the more you can charge for your services or you can get paid. So think about that next time you're thinking about your title or the next promotion you want, is try and think of what problem you can solve that gives you more value than the others around you. Thanks a lot for watching. There'll be a lot more of these little pro tips coming up. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, leave comments below on how you found this video, and even your story on how you're finding the 30-day vlog challenge. I'm Milidoni, looking forward to hearing from you.